for Thursday, January 2nd. Happy New Year to everybody. First trading day of 2014. So how exciting is that? All right, we are taking a look at GLD, the Spider Gold Trust ETF. All right, and if you recall a few days back, we went long. Take a look. I mean, look at the market tested this low made back in June, late June, right? Tested it here, and then tested it a second time right here on New Year's Eve, right? But we were long before that. We were long at 116.05 with a stop below the low of 114.50 on a closing basis. Had to close below 114.5. And if you recall, on the 31st, New Year's Eve, the market opened up lower, 114.60, traded down to 114.46, and then shot up. Shot up to 117.13, closing at 116.12 right here. And then look at today. The market opened up. Market opened up at 117.93, and we're trading at a high of 118.26, trading at 118.16. So this trade, to say the least, has been a good trade, right? We're up right now over 2 points. And if you take a look at where we're trading right now in relation to the blue action zone, right? Blue action zone, we're trading right in between that blue action zone. So right now, I would take something off the table. I'm taking something off the table right now and moving my stops up. Now I'm gonna, taking off a portion of the position right in here, right? 118.5, 118.15. I'm gonna move the stop up, right? So now this not only becomes a free trade, but we've made money on a portion of our position, and we're locking in profits. Let me tell you exactly where I'm moving the sell stop up to lock in profits on the remaining portion. I'm bringing that stop up to 117.08. Okay. Tuesday's high, New Year's Eve's high was 17.13. I'm going to go 5 cents below Tuesday's high. So 5 cents below 117.13 or 117.08. So the cursor, I'm going to make it a little thinner here for you so you can see it, but that is where it is sitting right now, right here, 117.08, right there, locking in a $1.03 on the remaining portion of this position. All right, so now, again, we are hitting an area where we may see some resistance, right? I mean, look at the overall trend of gold, right, is obviously down, right? I mean, the bars are red. Market's been, trading a little lower. Well, not a little lower, but we are trading at this level right in here. The trend is down. This is definitely a counter trend move to the upside. Where we were looking for a bounce. We were looking for this double bottom here. Overall, triple bottom, right? Testing this low. So we're at an area where we might hit a little resistance, and if we do, and if we come back down and hit that 117.08, I'd be taken out of this trade. But any way you look at it, we made money on this trade, right? We locked in $2.10. We've already made $2.10 on a portion of the position, and now regardless of what the market does, if the market drops, we'll lock in a $1.03 on the remaining portion of the position. All right, let's take a look at the overall market here on the very, very first trading day of 2014. This is the E-mini S&P 500 on a daily chart, right? Let's look at this here. This is last year's high, right? This is the 31st high, closing at 1841 with a high of the year 1846.5. So let's crunch this baby up here and take a look at the year. Again, I reviewed it briefly on Tuesday, the 31st. But again, this is where it opened up in 2013, opened up right near the low of the year, right on the low of the year, and closed pretty much on the high of the year. Very strong year, of course. The S&Ps were up, what, 29.5%, something like that. Right, NASDAQ did better. This is the best year we've had since, what, 1997? Almost 30% gain in 1 year, right? Since in 16 years, best year in 16 years. So this year, so far, right, we opened up down just a little bit here, and we're trading lower, but that's to be expected. Some profit taking here at the very beginning of the year. So we've taken out Tuesday's low. We also took out Monday's low. We took out Friday's low, and we've challenged the 26th low, right? The day after Christmas, that low was 1831. Today's low is 1830 and a quarter. So we actually took out that low as well. So we've taken out the last 4 lows. Let's see where we can close today. I'd love to see some type of pullback, right? I'd love to see some type of pullback to get back long this market overall. All right, so if we get some type of pullback, I'd definitely be looking to sell some puts and actually getting long the market here. And I'll let you know exactly when I'm doing that. Let's look at the S&P so far today. All right, again, opened up lower, right? This is where we closed on the 31st. Opened up here. This is the high so far today. We've traded lower. Definitely looking for a pullback into this area before looking to go short the futures for a day trade. Okay, so again, hope that helps. Let's just go quickly back to gold. That's looking like that's a good trade, right? Look at 1828 right now. What I say when I first put this trade on, I was looking at about 119. That's up a little bit here. So again, we've locked in 210 on a portion of our position, and we've got a trailing stop at 117.08, locking in a $1.03 on the remaining. So it doesn't matter what the market does, we've made money. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.